everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change graphic quality in Call of Duty mobile game. To change graphic quality in Call of Duty, first of all, open up your Call of Duty application from your mobile device. Make sure that you sign in using one of your login credentials, and after you are signed into your account, from the main home page, click on the gear button at the top right corner of the main home screen. From the settings menu, you will need to go ahead and tap on Audio and Graphics on the left hand side menu. From the graphics settings, you will be able to see graphic quality option at the top. To change your graphic quality, go ahead and select from low, medium, high, or very high. Select one of your graphic quality settings according to your desire and based on your device's capabilities and preference. The higher graphic settings generally require more powerful hardware and can impact performance. If you experience lag or frame rate drops, consider lowering the graphic settings, and after you do that, you can now get back to your game and start playing. And that's how you can easily change your graphic quality in Call of Duty Mobile. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.